What's up, everybody? We're out here in Brownwood Square. We got Skip Smith with us, right?
Yeah. Now we've been out here all day droning and taking shots, and I've got my cameras working on it. I had one on the golf cart. I had my GoPro 5 here for hand shots. He's got his camera, much better camera than what I'm using, and he had his drone out, and between the two of us, we rode and we droned everywhere from here to St. Catherine and back. So we'll put it together. I'll come up with my ideas. He'll do his ideas. Watch them both. Let us know what you think. Put it in the comment below, and we take it serious. We'll read it and we'll see what you say.
Yeah, make sure you leave us some comments, drop the likes, and subscribe to both our channels. Skip Smith, Papa Pineapple's channel, and you'll see Alexis in the background and a lot. We'll put them together.
Clickbait.
Yeah, that's right. We'll put them together and we'll get them out there for you. Enjoy the videos. So we're out here with Skip Smith. We're at the Water Lily Bridge, right, Alexis?
Yep.
Alexis is picking up acorns. Doing some drone video for him while he gets his stuff, and he's going to use the drone video. He's been kind enough to drive us around in his cart. I didn't realize that Village's golf carts would be closed on Sunday until noon. I guess people don't wake up out here until then. But so we're riding around with him, and there's a part specifically that I want to check out that's down the turnpike, about halfway between here and Warm Springs. It's a little like access road, so I want to see what that's all about.
Hi, Daddy.
Alexis got to hang out all day. Well, really, it was probably about a 4-hour trip of us getting videos. She had a lot of fun climbing through the tunnels and whatnot, though. She was a good sport. Plus, she makes for good clickbait. Skip got some cool drone shots, which I'm sure he'll end up using for his videos. I think he had a problem with a microphone, but he'll get that figured out. And then Alexis, by the time we got to Hawkins to turn around and come back, she finally warmed up to Skip, so then he couldn't get her away from him. But we ended up going to St. Catherine and around St. Catherine. I'm sure Skip's video is going to be great once he gets it up and going. And just wanted to do a quick video for this so you guys would have something to look forward to. Make sure you check out Skip's channel. Really good guy. He's got some good stuff on there. He does a live show. I believe we're going to be on in February for at least one thing, maybe not two, maybe two, depending on the end of the month. And as always, we will see you in the next one.